This amazing washer-dryer from Whirlpool is perfect if you want a first-class model with innovative technology to take special care of your clothes. It has an A energy rating, a rapid 1600 RPM spin speed, a large 10 kilogram drum for washing, and a 7 kilogram drying capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better washing and drying results. The innovative Fresh Care feature keeps your laundry in perfect condition once a cycle has finished. It uses a combination of gentle drum movements and steam to keep clothes fresh for up to 6 hours after a cycle. This means there's no rush to unload your clothes, as they'll always be wonderfully soft and ready when you need them. Whirlpool's incredible wash and dry program will get through your clothes pile with ease. Simply select this cycle and it will clean and dry lightly stained fabrics without the hassle of transferring clothes into a separate dryer. So, that last-minute outfit will be fresh and ready to wear no matter what life throws at you. If you're looking for a first-class washer-dryer with innovative technology to take care of your clothes, this amazing model from Whirlpool is the perfect choice.